G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 13, 2023. This is the US dollar basket update. On our weekly, we've broken down on the CCI 150. So potentially a slight weakening, but again, you see a nice big bullish candle last week. So again, that's causing it to turn up. So we just might be a bit of a retrace to the downside, but still early days yet to confirm that. On the daily, it did bounce off this resistance at 10,697 and made that little retrace. Again, that's based on the weekly as well, but you notice on the CCI 150, this is our divergence CCI and this is our trend following CCI on the CCI 400. So you can see there it's still in an upswing and still moving higher, but you'll notice there's a bit of a there's no divergence really. I mean, unless you can call that a double top as a divergence versus higher highs on the price there, and it has actually fallen back, so that could have been a divergence to look out for, but that actually probably executed, and if you draw Fibonacci from that level it may hit our earliest target. So that's on the daily. Now on the hourly, you can see here very clearly since our last video, these little squares are where the targets have been hit previously on the divergence going long or short. And using those CCI 150 as a divergence, you'll notice here there's another bullish divergence working out since our last video versus the price. You'll notice here as well the CCI 400 has actually turned up and starting in a slightly bullish mode. Now that's actually probably hit the target, so it might be a bit too late to trade that as a long position, but in terms of going long, it's probably something you may want to consider. Considering the daily is also in a long movement, so it's turning up as well on the daily, on the hourly. But that would have been probably hit. So if I draw a Fibonacci between that low, let's try that again. Between that low and that high, you can see that it's broken up and actually bounced off the 61%. Now, it may retrace back down and gravitate back to the downside from there, or if it breaks above the 61%, then we're going to see further upside. So at the moment, I'd wait for it to break above the 61% before taking any long positions. So that's where we are. On the weekly, it's broken down, but that could be a little short-term retrace. On a daily, it's in a bit of a still in an upswing and bullish. And on the hourly, it's also turned up bullish, but again, just wait for that 61% to be breached before taking any long positions. So if you liked what you saw in the video, hit the subscribe and the like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in a future video.